And I had obviously the laughing gas or gas in there, but I was laughing on it.
So what, you were on Roman's plane?
He picked me up, so he took me to the local hospital to see what was wrong, and then he picked me up.
But what do you mean by pick me up? Because
Well, just they picked me up and then took me to his got a car, took me to the airport, and then he picked me up in his plane, which is unbelievable. But oh my God, the women that were serving on there.
Yeah.
My God. I remember Roman looked close and went, "Don't seem too unhappy now, do you?"